No respect? Baby ape sees problem. You think people are the issue? No, it's you. You say, people don't respect me. Baby ape hears, I let everyone walk over me. Someone asks for favor, you say yes, even when you don't want to, even when you're tired, even when it ruins your time. Then later, you complain. They take advantage of me. Of course they do. You let them. You smile when annoyed, stay quiet when disrespected, laugh when uncomfortable. You think you're being nice. You're not. You're being easy to use. The first problem is you say yes to everything. Can you help me? Yes. Can you do this? Yes. Can you give your time? Yes. You have no limits, no filter, no boundaries. So what happens? People keep asking because you keep giving. Respect comes from scarcity, not availability. Learn this word. No. Short, simple, powerful. Second problem, you avoid conflict. Someone disrespects you, you stay quiet. Someone crosses the line, you ignore it. You think, I don't want drama. But now people think it's okay because you never push back. No reaction equals permission. You don't need to fight, you just need to stand. Simple lines, I don't like that. Don't do that again. No, that's it. Respect doesn't come from being liked, it comes from being clear. Final problem, you act weak. Not physically, mentally. You hesitate, you over-explain, you apologize too much. Stop. Confidence is simple. Say less and mean it. You don't need to prove anything, you just need to stand your ground. Walk slower, speak clearer, decide faster. People feel that. Weak signal equals no respect. Strong signals equals respect. You want respect? It's not magic. Stop saying yes to everything. Stop avoiding conflict. Stop acting weak. Start doing this. Set boundaries. Speak clearly. Stand firm. Respect. Learn it. Baby Ape Serious.